Mastering frozen lobster tails, the easy way.
Welcome, food lovers. Today we're going to talk about a delicacy everyone enjoys, lobster tails. And what if you could make it directly from frozen? Yes, that's right, no thawing needed. This method saves you time while ensuring your lobster tails are cooked to perfection. So, let's get started.
What you'll need.
To cook frozen lobster tails without thawing, you will need frozen lobster tails. Ensure they are good quality, as this will greatly influence your dish's final taste. Steamer or a pot with a lid. Steaming is an excellent method for cooking lobster from frozen as it locks in flavor and moisture. Water and salt. These are for the steaming process. Butter and lemon, for serving. These enhance the flavor of the lobster tail and provide a delightful finish.
Preparing for steaming.
1. Rinse your frozen lobster tails. Quickly rinse them under cold water to remove any frost or ice particles. 2. Set up your steamer. If you're using a steamer, ensure there's enough water in the bottom for a good steam. If you're using a regular pot, fill it with about an inch of water and add a generous pinch of salt. Get the water boiling. 3. Arrange the lobster tails. Once your water is boiling, place the lobster tails in the steamer or on a steaming rack above the water in your pot. Make sure they are not touching the water.
Cooking the lobster tails.
Steam the lobster tails. Cover your pot or steamer with a lid. Steam the lobster tails for about 6 minutes for the first 4 ounces, then add 2 minutes for each additional ounce. This means that a standard 6-ounce lobster tail will take about 8 minutes.
Checking doneness and serving.
1. Check for doneness. The lobster tails are done when their shell turns bright red and the meat is opaque and tender. If they are not done yet, steam them for an additional 1 to 2 minutes before checking again. 2. Prepare for serving. Remove the lobster tails from the steamer and let them cool for a few minutes. Serve with melted butter and a squeeze of lemon. And that's it. As you can see, cooking frozen lobster tails without thawing is not only possible, but it's also a quick and easy process. Now you can enjoy delicious lobster tails anytime, straight from your freezer. Bon appétit!